Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to access Microsoft Copilot using your Star ID, how to write effective prompts using the CARE framework, and how to refine Copilot's responses to get more useful results. You'll also learn how to make sure your prompts align with your instructor's expectations and why it's important to review AI-generated content for accuracy before using it. Before using any AI tool for an assignment, check your instructor's guidelines. Some instructors may allow AI for brainstorming, research support, or revision, while others may limit or prohibit its use on certain assessments. It's important to follow your instructor's expectations and think about how AI can support your learning without replacing the work you're expected to do yourself. Remember, using AI in ways that conflict with your instructor's directions could result in work that does not meet the assignment requirements and can prevent you from learning important skills you need to learn and practice. If your instructor allows the use of AI for an assignment, the next step is to log in to Microsoft Copilot, the AI tool approved for Normandale students. Normandale recommends Microsoft Copilot because it provides privacy and data protections when you sign in with your college account. Logging in with your Star ID credentials helps protect your personal information and intellectual property while using the tool. To get started, open Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome. We will be using Google Chrome in this example. Go to m365.cloud.microsoft. Select Sign In. Enter your Star ID at go.minstate.edu email address. Sign in using your Star ID password and complete any additional authentication steps if prompted. Once you're signed in, you're ready to begin using Copilot. Let's say my instructor has given me permission to use AI to brainstorm possible topics for an argument essay I'm writing. I don't want Copilot to write my paper or create a thesis for me. I only want help generating topic ideas, so I'll make that clear in my prompt. One helpful way to structure prompts is by using the CARE model. Context, explain your situation, ask, state what you want help with, requirements, describe expectations or limitations, evaluate, review the results and refine them as needed. The more specific you are about your instructor's expectations and what you want Copilot to generate, the more likely Copilot will provide useful results that support your learning goals. Here's a prompt that follows the CARE framework. I need ideas for an argument paper I need to write for a college writing class. What are some controversial topics that are local to Minnesota? Provide only argument essay topics. Do not offer a thesis or suggested outlines. Notice that I've provided context about the assignment and clearly explain what help I want and what help I don't want. Let's see what Copilot suggests. One of the best ways to improve AI-generated results is to continue the conversation. If I want ideas that are more distinctive or less commonly discussed, I can provide additional guidance. For example, I might enter this follow-up prompt. Suggest Minnesota-relevant topics that are more unique or less commonly discussed, but still have multiple viewpoints that could support an argument essay. By refining my prompt, I can receive results that are more tailored to my interest and assignment goals. Let's say one of the topics catches my attention. I've decided I want to write about whether Minnesota high school students should be required to learn about tribal sovereignty. Now I can use Copilot to help me prepare for research while still following my instructor's expectations. I'll enter this follow-up prompt. I want to write an argument paper about whether or not Minnesota high school students should be required to learn about tribal sovereignty. I am going to search in the library databases for sources. What key terms should I be searching? Don't suggest a thesis for my essay planning. Notice that I'm reminding Copilot about the limits I want it to follow. This helps to ensure the output aligns with my instructor's expectations and helps keep me in control of the thinking and writing process. If your instructor permits it, you may be able to improve Copilot's responses by uploading assignment materials, such as the instructions and rubric. You can do that by selecting the icon button for uploading a file or by inserting the relevant links into the prompt field. Providing these materials can help Copilot better understand the requirements of the assignment and provide more relevant support. Before uploading anything to Copilot, make sure it is consistent with your instructor's expectations and course guidelines. Remember, AI can make mistakes. Always review Copilot's responses carefully. Check that the information is accurate, relevant to the assignment, and consistent with your instructor's expectations. Ask yourself, does this information make sense? Does the generated content align with my instructor's guidelines? Does it help me learn and complete the assignment myself? Is the information generated by Copilot consistent with the other resources I can consult, such as sources from the library database, credible websites, and information I've learned from course materials? AI tools like Copilot can be helpful, but it's up to you to make the most of your learning experiences as a college student. Before using any AI-generated content, take the time to review it carefully and make sure it's accurate, appropriate, and aligned with your instructor's expectations. The work you submit should reflect your own understanding, judgment, and effort. These habits will serve you well not only in college, but also in the workplace, where people are expected to verify information and take responsibility for the quality and integrity of their work. Let's review the key takeaways. Follow your instructor's guidelines for AI use. Use Microsoft Copilot, the Normandale-approved AI tool. Sign in with your StarID credentials to access institutional privacy and intellectual property protections. Use the CARE framework to create effective prompts. Clearly explain what assistance you want and what assistance you do not want. Refine results through follow-up prompts and, when allowed, assignment materials. Review all AI-generated content for accuracy and appropriateness. Remember that you are responsible for your final work. Lastly, just in case you get stuck and need some help along the way, here are a few ways to reach out. First, you can give the Normandale IT Service Desk a call at 952-358-8181. Second, you can start your own ticket on the Normandale IT Service Desk service portal at services.normandale.edu. Third, you can send an email to it-servicedesk@normandale.edu to start a new ticket automatically from your email. Thanks for watching. Check out some of the other videos for more great tips and help from Normandale Community College.